Discover a new opportunity to earn money on Amazon with ChatGPT. At Profitability Plus, we've got the straight talk you need to boost your earnings. No flashy metaphors, just practical advice in a casual business tone that speaks to you. Let's dive in. When it comes to earning daily commissions from Amazon through AI-generated videos with ChatGPT, we've got your back. Our step-by-step process and expert tips cut through the noise. Remember, success in online business takes dedication, and results comes to those who put in the effort. Stick around to get the scoop. We'll keep it practical, with actionable steps, insightful tips, and a pragmatic approach to help you reach your goals more efficiently. But remember, before you can revel in success, you need to invest the sweat equity. Constructing a thriving online business demands your commitment and time. Achieving results hinges on the effort you're willing to put in. So stay tuned till the end to glean all the crucial details. Let's dive right into it. Getting started on the right note. Before we delve into the specifics, let's take a moment to acknowledge our shared journey. The desire to assist others led us to create a channel, and the momentum gained has been a driving force behind our video production. Harnessing ChatGPT for success. In case you're unfamiliar, ChatGPT is a valuable tool in our arsenal. It's a versatile chatbot that responds contextually. Today, we're focused on leveraging its capabilities to propel us toward those coveted Amazon commissions. The hows and whys will be unraveled as we progress. Cracking the code, unveiling the strategy. Allow us to demystify YouTube's content landscape. It's not as labyrinth as it might seem. Let's start with a simple fact: the search bar. Take a topic like best microphones for YouTube. A plethora of options emerges. Click on any video that piques your interest and navigate to the description. There, you'll spot Amazon product links featured in the video. These links are what we refer to as affiliate links. When a viewer makes a purchase through these links, the content creators receives a commission from Amazon, in addition to their YouTube ad revenue. It's this blueprint that we're adopting to create a similar channel, fostering a community and generating commissions. Let's delve deeper into the process. Crucial steps in launching a YouTube channel. Here's the silver lining. Nearly every aspect of this process is automated through ChatGPT. This means your workload is significantly reduced. Plus, don't fret about producing the videos yourself if it's not your forte. We'll show you how to outsource this aspect. The initial step involves selecting a niche for your YouTube channel. It's advisable to opt for something you're passionate about for the long haul. This could be tech, sports, beauty, food, pets, or any other topic that tickles your fancy. If you're feeling adventurous, you could narrow it down to a sub-niche. Think golf within the realm of sports, or perhaps dogs and pets. And if you're unsure, Amazon's product categories are a wellspring of inspiration. Once you've nailed down your niche, the next step is joining the Amazon Affiliate Marketing Program. The process is straightforward. Hit sign up and follow the prompts. You might be asked for a link to your traffic source. Pro tip: create your channel, upload at least one video, and then proceed with the sign-up process. More often than not, you'll gain acceptance without a hitch. Embarking on the creative process, crafting videos. Now comes the juicy part: content creation. The golden rule here is not to reinvent the wheel. Instead, emulate what's already working. This isn't about plagiarism. It's about modeling your content after successful templates. But hold off on the copyright concerns. We're all about adding your unique touch. Here's your secret sauce for generating compelling content. Head to the YouTube search bar and type in your keywords like best microphones for YouTube. Then apply filters to narrow down the results to recent uploads with the highest view counts. These are your winning cards. Study these videos, internalize their structure, and choose a favorite as your muse. If you've stuck around this far, kudos to your commitment. Drop an emoji and a yes in the comments to let us know you're in it for the long haul. Let's continue this journey together. Analyzing and strategizing. With your chosen video in hand, it's time to roll up your sleeves and dissect. Put on your detective hat. Identify the benefits your competition highlights the most. Also, delve into the comments section. There's a treasure trove of insights waiting to be uncovered. This process might be time-consuming, but consider it an investment that will pay dividends. Once your analysis is complete, it's the ChatGPT's cue to shine. Begin by listing the products you plan to feature. Oh, and don't forget to generate those all-important affiliate links. These links are the conduits to your commissions. Then, there's the introduction. The hook that grabs your audience's attention. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. Ask and you shall receive a captivating intro that sets the stage for your video. Crafting an engaging narrative. Microphone quality isn't just a technicality. It's the cornerstone of channel growth, so let's craft a script that captivates. The rule of thumb: inform and engage. Keep it concise, devoid of fluff, and brimming with actionable insights. Here, ChatGPT is your trusty ally, adept at generating educational content tailored to your audience. Spotlighting the stars. Product showcase. Remember, your video stars are the products themselves. Go beyond mere promotion. Delve into the specifics. Explain, dissect, and evaluate the pros and cons of each product. You're not just endorsing, you're empowering your viewers to make informed decisions. No guesswork, just clear information. As you compile your list of products, it's akin to orchestrating a symphony. Each note has a role. Every instrument contributes to the crescendo, your compelling script. The process may demand attention to detail, but it's a labor of love that reaps rewards. Curious about the mechanics of crafting resonant videos? Stay tuned for our upcoming segment, where we delve into the art of execution. From resourceful, elbow grease required free options to budget-friendly outsourcing, we've got your back. Remember, the road to success offers multiple lanes. Stay steadfast, for the journey holds equal significance as the destination. Whether you're bootstrapping or investing, the common denominator is the effort invested. As you fine-tune your video, don't overlook the thumbnail, your gateway to click-throughs. And the title? It's the final brushstroke. In the grand scheme of things, consistency weaves the threads of success. Early views may be modest, but triumph isn't an instant affair. It's a continuous journey. Persevere, adapt, and trust that your diligence will yield fruits. There you have it, a blueprint to elevate you from a novice to a virtuoso. Craving more strategies? Let us know in the comments. Show us some appreciation with a thumbs up and subscribe for an unending stream of insights. Until our next interaction at Profitability Plus, keep forging ahead and watch your endeavors metamorphose into accomplishments. Thank you for joining us. Catch you on the flip side. Ready to produce? The free route means DIY videos, record a voiceover, edit with free software, and use royalty-free resources. Freelancer option? Hire pros for voiceovers and editing, tailored to your budget. In a nutshell, time or money, both paths require commitment. Thumbnails? ChatGPT can brainstorm. Canva's a user-friendly pick for creating them. Video title? Got you covered. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is key. Even when initial views are low, stick with it and your effort will pay off. That's a wrap for today. Want more tips? Tell us in the comments. Like this video and subscribe for more practical advice. Catch you next time at Profitability Plus.